Welcome to Pace RFID and Barcode's walkthrough of Zebra's Experience Center in Lincolnshire, Illinois. Since we here at Pace are both nerds and sports fans, the first thing we wanted to show you was the NFL Next Gen data capture. But there's so much more to the Zebra Experience Center than just sports. As you know, Zebra is one of the world's leaders in enterprise automation tools, as shown here. At the forefront of touchless track and trace is Zebra RFID. Shown here is their portal and labels. Zebra's intelligent edge solutions encompass RFID, vision systems, and intelligence behind the scenes through their MotionWorks offering that Pace is proud to represent. Zebra is also renowned for its manufacturing data capture. Solutions such as handhelds, but also connected to things such as Allen Bradley PLCs or Siemens, as well as mounted solutions, tablets, and mobile computers. Why would a tire be in the Experience Center? Because Zebra reads RFID, tread depth, and OCR on tires. Zebra's wearables can be head-worn, wrist mount, or on the finger for data capture anywhere, and Pace offers all of them. Like Pace, Zebra's partnerships, like Newcastle shown here, extends the use cases further. Zebra and Pace offer intelligent cabinets to secure and manage your devices. Pace and Zebra offer solutions for retail, stockroom, and healthcare both in barcode and RFID. This is an RFID card used for healthcare or in the warehouse. We'd be remiss not to mention that Zebra is also a leader in field mobility for both public and private sector. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Zebra's Experience Center in Lincolnshire, Illinois. If any of the solutions shown here were interesting to you, we'd love to talk to you about it. Please contact Pace.